Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach, 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. Today I want to talk about research, and I'm going to use specifically ADHD stimulants and pregnancy. Often there's questions out there that one wants to know, you can think there's some information on, but often there's not. And it gets kind of confusing because there's some things when it comes to research or studies, they can't ethically do it in a way that potentially could hurt somebody. And pregnancy and stimulant medications is one of them. It's my understanding that there's really no research that can determine if stimulants have a detrimental impact to your fetus if you're pregnant, or don't have an impact. Again, because there's not research, and ethically it's just not an easy thing for them to put together, to have a control group and a placebo group and pull all that stuff together. So I'm sharing this out there because this happens kind of a lot on some topics when it relates to ADHD and other medical matters for that idea. Really what's left is evidence-based information, or excuse me, evidence-informed. A lot of times it's really going to come down to an individual decision with you and your physician, trying to get maybe their experiences from it. They can share their thoughts and insights, but sometimes we just don't have data or information that can determine one way or another. It's a really challenging decision for people in these types of situations, but it kind of is what it is. The point of this video, really, if you're drawn to this, you're certainly searching for information on it, and sometimes it's kind of good to know what you're up against. Like, it's really kind of not out there. It doesn't solve the problem, but emotionally, you're not going to spin your wheels looking for stuff that's really not there. It's really an individual decision that is going to come down to you with maybe some guidance from your physician. So again, just a little bit of an insight for if you're searching around. My understanding is we don't have definitive information either way. So with that, I hope that's somewhat been helpful. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're an existing viewer and you have some information on this, please post it. I'd be very interested in it. With that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.